At first glance, you might quickly solve this problem and think that 900 minus 1 gives 899, and 9 minus 9 gives 0. So multiplying 899 by 0 would give 0. But this answer is not correct because we must follow the proper order of operations known as PEMDAS, and this is where many people make mistakes in math. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction, and it tells us the exact order we must follow when solving any mathematical expression so that we always get the correct answer. Let us go through each part carefully with simple examples so you fully understand it. First, we solve anything inside parentheses because they have the highest priority. For example, in the expression 2 times open bracket, 3 plus 4 close bracket. We solve inside the parentheses first. 3 plus 4 equals 7, and then we multiply 2 times 7 to get 14. So parentheses always come first no matter what. Next are exponents, which are powers. For example, 3 squared means 3 times 3, which equals 9, and 4 to the power 2 means 4 times 4, which equals 16. So any exponent must be solved before moving on. After that comes multiplication and division, and these two have equal priority, which means we do not choose multiplication over division, or division over multiplication. Instead, we solve them from left to right exactly as they appear. For example, in 8 divided by 2 times 2, we start from the left. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Then 4 times 2 equals 8. But if you do it the wrong way and multiply first, you'll get a different answer which is incorrect. Finally, we do addition and subtraction. And just like multiplication and division, they also have equal priority, so we solve them from left to right. For example, 10 minus 3 plus 2 becomes 7 plus 2, which equals 9. And if you do it out of order, you will get the wrong result. Now that you clearly understand PEMDAS, let's go back and solve the original problem correctly. The expression is 900 minus 1 times 9 minus 9. And according to PEMDAS, multiplication must be done before subtraction. So we first multiply 1 times 9, which gives us 9. Now the expression becomes 900 minus 9 minus 9. And now we move to subtraction from left to right. 900 minus 9 equals 891, and 891 minus 9 equals 882. So the correct answer is 882, not 0 as many people first think. You can see that one small detail, which is following correct order of operations, changes everything. Now let us test your understanding with a new problem. Try solving this expression using PEMDAS correctly. 8 minus 1 times 8 minus 6. Take your time and make sure you follow the correct order step by step before you answer. If you got the correct answer, comment it below and let others see how you solved it. And if you found this helpful and want more math challenges like this, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting problems that will sharpen your thinking skills.